Hello students, today we will solve the problem based on the admission of a partner. So let us see the question from the board. So in this case, when the new partner's capital account is not given, okay, so how to calculate the questions? We can see the question from the board. So as we can see, A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. They admit C for 1/4 share and the balance sheet was as follows. Okay. So balance sheet has been given: assets, stock 15,000, debtor 50,000, less provision for doubtful debt 2,000. How much it has been there? 48,000. Investment दिया है 7,000, cash दिया है 6,100, goodwill दिया है कितना? 40,000. Now in liability side we can see EPF, employees provident fund 17,000, WCR, that is your workman compensation reserve, given 6,000, IFR, investment fluctuation reserve, given 4,100, and capital account has been given. So now we can see the following adjustment. First bit, C brings in rupees 16,000 as goodwill and proportionate capital. That means she amount of capital has not been given. That means we are required to prepare the working note, okay, for the calculation of capital. Now all this adjustment has been given and we are required to prepare revaluation account and partners capital account. Okay, so let us solve your revaluation account. So now you can see revaluation account. Okay, so how to prepare? देखो, second bit, bad debts amounted to rupees 3,000. So how much has been the bad debts given? Bad debt here has been given, provision already created है कितना? 2,000. ठीक है? So that means how much more we are required to create? Your 1,000. Okay? So that will be shown on the debit side of the revaluation account. क्यों? क्योंकि वो increase in liability है. ठीक है? So that would be your 2 bad debts. ठीक है? 2 bad debts. How much it would be? It would be your 1,000. Now you remember your one more adjustment is there. Market value of investment is 4,500. यहाँ पर देखो इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू कितना है? 7,000 और आज के रेट में मार्केट वैल्यू कितना है? 4,500. That means there has been the decrease in value of investment. कितना decrease हो गया? 2,500. And here now IFR has also been created. क्या created किया गया है? Investment fluctuation reserve has been there. Now the question comes, what do you mean by IFR? IFR is the specific reserve which has been created to balance the amount of market value of investment. Okay, market value of investment क्या होता है? वो fluctuate होते रहता है. ठीक है, इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? हम एक reserve create करते हैं, that is for the value of investment. So that reserve which has been created, that reserve is known as investment fluctuation reserve. तो अब हम लोग का जो पैसा जो डिक्रीज हुआ है 2,500, तो कहाँ से एडजस्ट हो जाएगा? इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व से हम एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लायबिलिटी ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ WCR 2,000. नाउ WCR इज गिवन हियर 6,000, यहाँ पे दिया है 2,000. दैट मींस व्हेन WCR इज गिवन इन बोथ इन द बैलेंस शीट एंड इन द एडजस्टमेंट, दैट मींस इट विल नॉट बी शोन इन द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. तो उसका ट्रीटमेंट कहाँ होगा? इट विल बी शोन इन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट. ठीक है, तो इस केस में हो गया. और कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. सो बैड डेब्ट इज 1,000. सो लॉस वुड बी योर बाय लॉस ऑन रिवॉल्यूशन. हाउ मच इट वुड बी योर? 1,000. ओके, सो अकाउंट हैज बीन क्लोज्ड. नाउ यू सी 1,000 will be distributed in the ratio of 3:1. That is A and B. That will be of 750 and 250. Okay, so this is how we are required to prepare the revaluation account. Now we will see how to prepare the partners capital account. ठीक है, so partners capital account हम लोग देखेंगे. So partners capital account. Now here you can see that there are 3 partners. A and B तो already था. Next partner कौन है? C. ठीक है, so we are required to prepare the partners capital account for 3 partners. That is your for A, then for B and C. Okay, then here also A, B and this is your C. So first of all we will see the opening balance. Opening balance of capital is given how much? A का दिया है 54,000, B का दिया है 35,000. ठीक है, तो उसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? ओपनिंग बैलेंस वुड बी रिटन एज बाई बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. कितना कितना है 54,000 and 35,000. Now we see the revaluation loss. The revaluation loss over the partners capital account would be debited, so it will be shown on the debit side. So debit side में हम क्या लिखेंगे to revaluation account. Okay, within bracket what loss. How much is the loss? 750 for A and 250 for B. Now you see goodwill has been brought how much 16,000. As you know, whatever the goodwill which has been brought in by the new partner, that goodwill is distributed among old partner. In which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. Now only old ratio has been given, no information regarding new ratio has been given. Okay, that means old ratio would be considered as your sacrificing ratio. Distribute करेंगे तो credit side में क्या लिखेंगे हम by premium for goodwill और by goodwill. How much it would be? 16,000 would be distributed in 3:4. That means 3 by 4 into 16,000. So how much it would be? 12,000 and again कितना आ जाएगा वो 4,000. ठीक है. Now you see goodwill has already been given inside the balance sheet. ठीक है. So that means when goodwill already appears in the books of accounts. जब goodwill appear करेगा books of accounts में उसको क्या करना है हमको? That goodwill is to be written off, write off करना पड़ता है in old profit sharing ratio. ठीक है. तो हमारा जनरल एंट्री क्या हो जाता है? जनरल एंट्री फॉर राइटिंग ऑफ गुडविल, ए कैपिटल अकाउंट वुड बी डेबिटेड, ए कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड, अगेन बी कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू गुडविल अकाउंट. राइट ऑफ का एंट्री है कितना 40,000. ना 40,000 वुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 3:1. कितना कितना आ जाएगा ये 30,000 एंड 10,000. दिस इज द एंट्री फॉर राइटिंग ऑफ द गुडविल. तो डेबिट हो जा रहा है दोनों का कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट विल शोन ऑन द डेबिट साइड. क्या लिखेंगे हम टू गुडविल. हाउ मच इट वुड बी? फॉर ए इट वुड बी 30,000 एंड फॉर बी इट वुड बी हाउ मच 10,000. ठीक है. अभी आईएफआर का देख लेते हैं. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू 7,000 था, यहाँ पे कितना 4,500. कितना डिक्रीज हो गया 2,500. ओके. सो व्हाट विल बी द जनरल एंट्री? अगर जनरल एंट्री हम देखेंगे तो आईएफआर अकाउंट डेबिटेड, आईएफआर में कितना पैसा था 4,100. उसमें से इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू कम हो गया है तो क्या लिखेंगे हम टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. कितना कम, कंपोजिशन कितना कम होगा 2,500. नाउ द डिफरेंस अमाउंट, ठीक है, वॉट एवर द डिफरेंस अमाउंट वुड बी देयर, कितना अमाउंट होगा 1,600. तो दैट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमाउंट ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. कौन से रेशियो में? ओल्ड रेशियो में. ठीक है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे टू ए कैपिटल अकाउंट, अगेन टू बी कैपिटल अकाउंट. ठीक है. So that means how much it would be? 1200 A में चले जाएगा, 1600 distributed in the ratio of 3:1 और 400 आपका चल जाएगा B में. So this is the entry for what? Entry for IFR. ठीक है. तो A और B का कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रिएट हो रहा है. क्रेडिट साइड में हम लिखेंगे क्या लिखेंगे बाय IFR, that is investment fluctuation reserve. ठीक है. How much will be the amount? Amount would be 1200 and it will be your 400. Okay. ठीक है. नाउ एम्प्लॉइज प्रोविडेंट फंड दिया है, उसका कोई एडजस्टमेंट दिया नहीं है, नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. WCR का देख लेते हैं. WCR हाउ मच इट हैज बीन गिवन 6,000. यहाँ पे लायबिलिटी कितना क्रिएट किया गया है 2,000. दैट मींस 2,000 विल बी शोन ऑन द लायबिलिटी साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस शीट. डिफरेंस फिगर कितना बचा? डिफरेंस फिगर बचा हमारा 4,000. 4,000 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे कौन सा रेशियो में 3:1. तो क्या हो जाएगा हम लोग को क्रेडिट साइड में बाय WCR 4,000 3:1 में कितना कितना आएगा 3,000 and 1,000. Okay. So now what we have to do, we are required to calculate the proportionate capital of C. C का कैपिटल दिया नहीं है, उसका निकालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So for that always remember whatever the capital which has been brought in by the new partner, that would be calculated on the basis of old partners capital account. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर देखेंगे हम ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में कितना आ रहा है टोटल फिगर 54,000 प्लस 12,000, दैट वुड बी हाउ मच 66. 66 प्लस 3 69. 69,000 प्लस 1200, हाउ मच इट वुड बी 70,200. ठीक है. तो 70,200 माइनस कितना करना पड़ेगा माइनस 30,750. ठीक है. उसको माइनस करेंगे. सो वट एवर द आंसर विच यू विल गेट, उसको क्या लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन. टोटल कितना हो गया इसका? टोटल हो गया 70,200. ठीक है. So difference figure, how much it would be? Difference figure would be 39,450. This is for A. ठीक है. Similarly for B. B का निकालेंगे 35 plus 4 39. 39 plus 1 40. 40,400. So 40,400 है. ठीक है. और उसको हम माइनस कर देंगे किससे? 10,250. And we are required to calculate the difference figure. How much it would be? 30,150. ठीक है. Total हो गया कितना? 40,400. So now you see it has been given C has brought his proportionate capital. ठीक है. और C का शेयर कितना था? 1/4 शेयर. They admit C for 1/4 share. ठीक है. So that means total, that means C share is given 1/4. ठीक है. So remaining share कितना हो जाएगा? Remaining share C को देने के बाद कितना बचेगा? 1 minus 1/4. This will be how much? 3/4. ठीक है. Now you see this is the total adjusted capital. एक ये है 39,450 और एक कितना है 30,150. So total combined total adjusted capital of A and B. ठीक है. A का कितना था? A का था 39,450. So that is the 39,450 plus B का कितना है 30,150. ठीक है. ये दोनों का हमको पहले टोटल करना पड़ेगा. That means जो आंसर आया A और B का, okay, we have to get the total. So how much it would be? This would be 69,600. ठीक है. Now you see for 3/4 share, कितना शेयर के लिए? 3/4 share. Total capital is how much? For A and B is 69,600. So that means for 3/4 share, okay, the capital is how much? Capital is equals to 69,600. This is for A and B. Now we are required to calculate the total capital of the firm. और जब कभी भी हम total capital of the firm निकालते हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको reciprocal कर देंगे. ज़्यादा होगा इसीलिए. So total capital of the firm. How much it would be? 69,600 into कितना? 3/4 है. इसको reciprocal करेंगे कितना आ जाएगा? 4/3. ठीक है. So that means how much it would be after calculation? This will be 92,800. Okay, 92,800. Now we are required to calculate the amount of capital, proportionate capital brought in by C. So C share of capital. C का share of capital कितना था? 1/4. So 1/4 into total capital of the firm कितना था? 92,800. Okay. So how much it would be? This would be 23,200. Okay. So this is how we are required to calculate the amount of C as the proportionate capital. मतलब ये condition क्या बना? When new partners capital account has not been given. ठीक है. Okay. तो उतना पैसा वो लेके आया. तो उसको हम लिख सकते हैं. This would be your by bank. जब C capital लेके आएगा तो either it can be written as your by cash or by bank. How much it is C has brought in? 23,200. उसका अकाउंट क्लोज करेंगे हम 23,200. Now balancing figure would be also be same. How much it would be? 23,200. So 23,200. This is also 23,200. Okay. So this is how we are required to prepare the revaluation account and partners capital account. Here also balance sheet can also be prepared. Just it has not been asked in the question, so I had not prepared here. Okay, so 2 to 3 things here you have to remember. So first thing, goodwill appearing in the books of account, that would be written off in old profit sharing ratio. Investment has been given, investment fluctuation reserve has been given, so whatever, and market value has been given. So whatever the decrease in the value of investment would be there, that would be adjusted from where? From investment fluctuation reserve. And whatever the difference figure would be, after adjusting the amount, it would be distributed among the old partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. Now WCR, if both it has been given in your liability side as well as in adjustment, that means whatever the difference figure would be, that amount would be distributed, okay, to partners capital account. Okay, and accordingly we have required to prepare the working note for the calculation of the capital brought in by the new partner. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.